There are certain types of plants that are classed as good luck plants. Feng Shui plants are said to bring prosperity, fortune, love, and luck. That is why some types of lucky plants are called money trees or money plants. Check this out mga kamamshi! Hello mga kamamshi! Welcome back to my channel! I would like to say thank you to all who supported me, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell button to keep you updated. Here are the lucky plants that bring good luck, prosperity, and good fortune. Peace lilies. Peace lilies symbolize peace, prosperity, tranquility, solitude, and purification. These lilies help to bring about good luck and fortune. Its elegant large green leaves and brilliant white flowers help to create a pleasant atmosphere in any room. Some people describe peace lilies as a good luck plant for purifying the air. Jade plant. Plant jade plant and enjoy good luck, prosperity, and friendship. Jade plant is a popular good luck charm. Flowering jade plant reflects and symbolizes great friendship, luck, and prosperity. The green leaves signifies energy and the joy of friendship, and the flowers represent the fragrance of great friendship. Jade plants are usually gifted to new business owners or placed in offices to invite success or wealth. Money tree. Money tree symbolize wealth and good fortune. Great for someone who is a career-driven person or starting a new business.
Money trees are often braided together, and in order for the luck to come in, one needs to have 3 to 5 braided plants. It is advised to steer clear of the number 4. In addition to this, the leaves must have 5 or more fingers to be lucky.
Palm trees. Palm trees help keep one's wealth, bringing joy, hope, good luck to the owners. Definitely lucky indoor plants. Palms are great to create dividers due to their sheer size. They inject a bit of natural appeal with their breezy and tropical feel. Apart from attracting good energy, palms activate any missing feng shui elements within a room. Lucky bamboo. Lucky bamboo is so often given as a get-well gift because it's known to attract positive energy. The lucky bamboo's tree stalk represents the blessing of happiness, good fortune, and long life. The lucky bamboo plant is a household plant which is easy to care for and grows well in indirect sunlight. But it is a type of tropical water lily called Graciana sandriana. The lucky bamboo plant is one of the most popular feng shui cures, said to bring good luck and prosperity to the place where it is grown.
Snake plant. Snake plant, also known as mother-in-law plant. This plant has been deemed a good luck plant because of its ability to absorb poisonous gases from the air and removing toxins.
Snake plant is a type of succulent with long sword-shaped leaves that is claimed to be a bringer of luck and also help purify the air. Snake plants pull toxin from the air during the day and then release oxygen at night. Snake plants help to filter indoor air. What's unique about this particular plant is that it's one of the few plants that can convert carbon dioxide into oxygen at night. This quality make it an ideal plant for bedroom decor as it can help regulate healthy airflow. Potted orchids. Potted orchids, one of the most beautiful flowering plants. Orchids are not just design elements. According to Feng Shui, orchids have the unique ability to bring good luck and fortune in love. It nurtures and enriches current relationships and, most importantly, enhances the chance of finding love and a partner. In general, orchids represent perfection, natural beauty, and love. In Feng Shui practice, the orchid is mostly used to enhance family luck and fertility luck. The color of the orchid plays a vital role in determining its potency. Violet orchids are said to be the most auspicious among the many varieties of the plant. Pink orchids can bring harmonious relationship. White orchids can fill the household with peace. Rubber plant. Rubber plant, mainly known for its austerity and auspiciousness in the wealth area. The rubber plant can be placed in any spot to prove beneficial. The plant has round leaves, regarded as symbolic of money and prosperity in Feng Shui. When placed in the home, the plant fosters fortune, abundance, and increase in wealth. This plant has a flexible placing problem, as you can place it in any corner of your house or office, and it would prove beneficial in all ways. Prayer plants. Prayer plants symbolize devotion and focus. Great for someone who loves to stay organized and on schedule. Calathea maranta, also called prayer plant. Maranta varieties earn their common name because their leaves curl up each night, almost like they're praying. If you want to give someone a thank you gift, a maranta can help symbolize your gratitude. Aloe vera. Aloe vera symbolizes healing and protection. Great for people interested in holistic health. However, only a few know that aloe vera plants bring good fortune to the house. Countries like Africa and other Asian cultures have a belief that aloe vera is the epitome of protection, good luck, and spiritual upliftment. Aloe plant is a favorite in Feng Shui because it resonates with healing energy, because it scrubs the air of toxins, as well as being antibacterial and an antioxidant. Spider plant. Spider plants symbolize mindfulness and health. Great for someone moving away from home for the first time. Spider plants also have air purifying properties and can help to relieve stress and improve concentration. Golden pothos. Golden pothos symbolize perseverance and longing. Great for someone who follow their dreams. Try a hanging pothos to symbolize reaching new heights. Golden pothos is one of the best Feng Shui plants because it produces positive energy flow that attracts good luck and wealth. This plant should be placed in front of sharp corner or angle to help reduce anxiety, stress, and negative thoughts. Money plant should be pointing upward for well-being and prosperity. The position of this plant is southeast corner of your living room. Golden pothos is an effective for removing chemicals from the air. It cleanses the air and the energy in the environment. It is advisable to place one near TV computer as it can soak up the harmful radiation from the electronic devices. It reduces anxiety and stress and make it a pleasant environment at home.